What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video. Oh my god, I know it's been a while, but guess what, I got an unboxing for you guys. This is the Yeezy 700. But before we get into that guys, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna slowly put you down here so that we can go on and start this unboxing. All right, I got a box yesterday. Let's see what's in the box. Yeezy Adidas. Let's see what's in this big box. Here we go. The Yeezy 700s. The sizing. Alright, let's see. I got this ones on the retail price from Adidas. Oh my god. There they are. So these ones are called the Enflame Amber. Yeah, Enflame Ambers. But I just noticed like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't like that. So I'm quickly going to return these ones because no, I don't like this one. I don't like these ones. So the Yeezy 700s Amber, it's like it's coming off. So I'm definitely going to return these ones. This is the second pair. This one looks alright. The Yeezy 700s Amber. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. Just a quick unboxing for you guys. I'm definitely going to return these ones, 100%. So there we go, the Yeezy 700s. Alright guys, don't forget, be kind to another. Peace!